again we are back to see Paint 3D tutorial ahead. So what are the next options that we are going to learn in this tutorial? So today in the last class we have seen the brushes. Now we are going to see the 2D shapes. So what exactly is the 2D shapes are here? 2D shapes have a different types of shapes are here, and then you can also convert it into a 3D object. Here you can make any object with the help of the 2D shapes, and then you can convert it into 3D. So first of all, I am going to select the lines and the curves. Here you can find the lines and the curves options are on the top. So click onto the first of all click onto the 2D shape, and then you can find it the lines and curves and 2D shapes are here. So I'm going to select the lines and curves, and here you can see this is to be like that. I have drawn a straight line here, but this is in 2D. I have got a two option here. First one is the matte and the second one is the make 3D. So I'm going to make it into a 3D. So I'm going to select make 3D. When I click onto the make 3D, so I have gotten an option here that is this is used to slide forward and backward on the Z axis like this. हम Z axis पे से forward और backward move कर सकते हैं. This is used to rotate onto the x axis like this. X axis पे हम इसे rotate कर सकते हैं. Then this is used to increase or decrease the size of the canvas. If you want to zoom, you can increase this, right? Here you can find, you can rotate this object onto the Z axis like this, and decrease the size of this object, and then make it 3D, and you can rotate it. So this is like that, and you can see it in 3D view. You can rotate it into the flip. That means यहाँ से कैनवास से आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आर पार हो गया ये, है ना, इससे कैनवास से. You can also rotate like this. You can also rotate like this. Yeah, here you can got a lots of option that is to be in 3D view. That means कि how you can rotate this object and to be, it seems like that it is to be outside from the canvas, right? See. Then again I'm going to click on the 2D shape, and I'm going to delete it, and here you can find remove your selection entirely. So I'm going to remove it, and then I'm going to select the heart shape. So from here I'm going to select the heart shape and switch off the 3D view and make a heart here, and then select the color. I'm going to select the red color and select the outline color of this object, that is red. And now I'm going to select the what color I want, what type of color, or that means what type of effect in color I want here. So I'm going to select the polished matter, and then click onto the make 3D object. So the 2D shape is converted into a 3D object. That means 2D heart is converted into 3D heart. See? And when I see into 3D view, so it will just like that. I will move it here and place it here. And then see, and I'm going to rotate it into, I'm going to select the rotate. So the heart is rotate 90 degrees पे rotate होता जाएगा. See, flip, rotate, flip. See, कुछ इस तरीके से हम इसको इस तरीके से भी दिखा सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे अगर हम चाहें तो इस कैनवास पे कलर कर सकते हैं। सी, जिस तरीके से सी, और फाइल मेन्यू पे जाके सेव एज करके 3D मॉडल में क्लिक कर देते हैं। मेन्यू में जाके सेव एज करके 3D मॉडल में क्लिक करेंगे। देन इसमें हम एक नाम दे देते हैं हार्ट नाम दे देते हैं हम हार्ट। सो सी, ये सेव हो गया। यहाँ से हम कुछ इफेक्ट्स सेट कर देते हैं इस पे। सी, तो हमने देखा कि हमने किस तरीके से हार्ट को रोटेट किया, फिर हमने हार्ट को हमने किस तरीके से फ्लिप किया, रोटेट किया, एंड देन जब हम 3D हार्ट बना लेंगे उसको किस तरीके से इंक्रीज करेंगे, डिक्रीज करेंगे। तो ये सब हमने इसमें देखा। ये यहाँ पे जा रहा है कैनवास से बाहर, हम इसे इस तरीके से ले आए क्योंकि वो कैनवास के इनसाइड जा रहा है। और ये हमने देखा कि हमने अपना हार्ट को किस तरीके से बनाया। अब हम ये हुए 3D ऑब्जेक्ट को ब्लेंडर पे लेके जाएंगे। ब्लेंडर इज अनदर सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर मेकिंग 3D ऑब्जेक्ट्स और also making some types of VFX effect and VFX or animation. So it is very easy for you to take this object into the blender. That means sometime it may happen that the objects are to be so difficult to make in blender, so you can easily transport the 3D objects from Paint 3D to the blender. So here you can select it. First of all, you can save it by using save as method, and then click onto the 3D model, and I'm going to save it with the name heart underscore 1 क्योंकि हम एक सेव कर चुके हैं। Then what you do, अगर अब हमें ब्लेंडर पे जाना है, I have installed the blender and you can also watch the blender in our YouTube channel. There are lots of videos that are related to the blender. So I'm going to search with the name blender and then click over to it. Then it will take some time to open, and then general, and delete this object here, delete this object from here, and click on to the import. And when you click onto the import, you can find a different files are here, that is .dae, .abc, .bbh, .svg, .ply. That means you can import .svg file also here in Blender. So I'm going to import that 3D object, that is to be .glb. So here I got it, and then where I have saved that object, I have saved that object into the desktop. Then select desktop, and here I find it, that is heart underscore 1.glb. When I selected heart underscore 1.glb, then import .gltf 2.0 पे click it, and then here you can find it. See, here I have imported the heart data to be I have made in the Paint 3D, and I got it here. So this is a very easy way or a very easy technique. If you want to modeling something in 3D, you can easily import Paint 3D objects into the Blender and make it at a higher level. So thank you. Please stay safe and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.